This is without a doubt the finest premium level midsize SUV on the road for the money, period. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Today I'd like to show you this gorgeous 2026 Nissan Rogue Platinum Premium. It's just like new. It's loaded with everything you can think of, and it's got crazy low miles. Around back, rear park assist sensors, rear bumper protector, divide and hide cargo management system. Power lift gate, this motion activated with a kick of your foot under the rear bumper. Backup camera, rear wiper, and a rear spoiler. Beautiful 19-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Dunlop tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to tri-zone air conditioning, heated seats, and USB-C ports all in the back of the center console. It's super black with chestnut leather interior, factory roof rack, optional crossbars, deep tinted glass, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, forward collision, front park assist, color keyed fender flares, passive keyless entry, power panoramic moonroof, perforated leather bucket seats, dual power seats, factory embroidered floor mats, and absolutely incredible Bose sound system. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, memory seats, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert, heads up display controls, power lift gate controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, in the wheel, paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 5,500 well cared for, 1 owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, factory connected Google navigation, backup camera with that really cool 360-degree around view monitor. Tri-zone air conditioning, heated seats, driver and passenger, even has a heated steering wheel. Push button start, USB ports, 12-volt outlet, wireless inductive cell phone charging, console shifter, electronic parking brake, keyless entry key fob including remote start and lift gate release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, an auto dimming rear view mirror, and those power panoramic moonroof controls located overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2026 Nissan Rogue Platinum Premium, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.